Most pool owners waste entire weekends scrubbing walls and chasing leaves, never realizing a cordless robot could handle all of it while they relax. Budget buying broke down the top cordless pool cleaners on the market, and the differences in power, coverage, and battery life are bigger than you'd expect. Watch until the end because the winner isn't who you think. The Xpool LY80 Pro opens this lineup with genuine wall climbing ability, something plenty of budget cordless cleaners simply cannot pull off. 7 cleaning modes let you dial in exactly how the robot approaches your pool, whether that means a quick floor pass or a full waterline scrub. Under the hood, triple motors paired with dual rolling brushes give it real muscle, while the dual filtration system catches fine debris before it settles back into the water. With around 180 minutes of runtime and a 2.5-hour recharge, it comfortably handles larger in-ground pools up to 1,615 square feet without constant babysitting. And app control means you can set your cleaning path before you even step outside, turning pool day prep into a 2-minute task instead of an afternoon chore. What stands out here is the wall climbing feature, which most entry-level cordless cleaners skip entirely, along with waterline scrubbing that catches the grime a floor-only robot would miss completely. The triple motor setup gives it noticeably strong suction for its price point, and the long battery life suits bigger pools well without frequent recharging. On the flip side, more motors and modes generally mean more components that can wear over time. An app-dependent setup adds a small learning curve for anyone who just wants to press a button and go without fiddling with their phone first. If simplicity is what you're after, the Rooccan X1 takes a refreshingly different approach. There's no pairing, no app, no programming, you just drop it in and it gets to work immediately, which is exactly the kind of hands-off experience a lot of pool owners are craving. Dual 50-watt motors move it briskly across floors, walls, and slopes, and the direct dirt-to-suction port design pulls debris straight in rather than pushing it around first. Its 2,700 gallons per hour suction rating backs up that quick, thorough feel, and at just 8.6 pounds, it's genuinely easy to lift out using the quick drain flap. The 0.28 cubic foot filter basket with 180 micron mesh means you're not emptying it every single cycle either. The lightweight build and true no-setup operation make this one of the easier cleaners to live with day to day, and the direct suction design keeps performance consistent from the first minute to the last. That said, 100 minutes of runtime is on the shorter side compared to others here, so larger pools may need more frequent cycles to stay fully covered. Its navigation is smart enough for varied pool shapes, but buyers wanting deep customization through an app will find this one intentionally basic, which is either a relief or a limitation depending on what you're after. Things get noticeably smarter with the Nepturox SAT30, which leans hard into intelligent mapping rather than random wandering. It scans your pool layout as it cleans, cutting down on the repeated passes you'll notice with simpler navigation systems, then quietly docks itself at the edge once it's finished. A 180-watt brushless motor paired with a 780 mAh battery pushes runtime up to roughly 180 minutes, and you get 3 selectable modes for floor, wall, or full coverage cleaning depending on what your pool actually needs that day. The 250-micron filtration basket is fine enough to grab silt along with the bigger leaves, and an IP68 rated build suggests it's meant to hold up season after season rather than just one summer. The smart mapping and auto-docking combination genuinely separates this from cleaners that just bump around randomly, and the sealed, reinforced build points to solid long-term durability season after season. Runtime and suction power both hold up well against pricier competitors too, which is impressive given everything else it's doing under the hood. The trade-off is that all this intelligence sits at a higher price bracket than the more basic options, and owners of oddly shaped pools may still see the occasional missed corner despite the smart guidance. Now we're stepping into serious performance territory with the YBOT C1. Its upgraded independent water pump motor delivers noticeably stronger suction, and that extra pull matters when you're dealing with heavier debris like wet leaves or built-up algae, not just light dust. Dual PVC brushes grip surfaces confidently across tile, mosaic, and glass finishes, which is exactly where cheaper brushes tend to slit and lose contact. Battery life sits in the 120 to 150 minute range on a 3-hour recharge, comfortably enough for pools up to 1,614 square feet and nearly 10 feet deep. The top-load filter basket with 180 micron mesh rinses clean in seconds, no tools required, and YBOT backs the whole thing with lifetime technical support, plus a 24-month warranty. The doubled suction power is the standout here, giving it a real edge on stubborn debris that lighter cleaners tend to leave behind, especially algae and waterlogged leaves. Surface grip across different tile types is another genuine strength, and the lifetime support plus warranty coverage adds real peace of mind for the long haul. Runtime lands slightly below the top performer in this lineup, so extremely large pools might need an extra cycle. Still, for the depth and square footage it's built for, it rarely feels stretched thin. And that brings us to the Dolphin Proteus DX5i, which earns its spot at the top through sheer brand pedigree and thoughtful everyday features, rather than flashy specs alone. Always connected Wi-Fi means you can schedule cleanings remotely, so your pool is ready before you even walk outside. Its active scrubbing brush handles waterline grime that trips up plenty of competitors, gripping the walls persistently while staying gentle enough not to scuff surfaces. Dolphin backs this up with over 40 years building pool cleaning equipment, and that experience shows in small touches like the top-load filter basket, which makes debris removal quick instead of a chore. It's less about one standout number and more about a consistently refined, dependable cleaning experience. The remote Wi-Fi scheduling and proven waterline scrubbing are genuine standouts, backed by decades of brand reliability that newer companies simply haven't earned yet in this space. The Easy Care filter system keeps maintenance simple too, which matters more than people expect once the novelty wears off. Where it comes up short is transparency around raw power figures like motor wattage or suction rate, which are less detailed than some competitors publish. For buyers who value brand trust efficiency over spec sheets, that trade-off tends to feel worth it. For most households, the YBOT C1 stands out as the strongest overall pick. Its combination of genuinely upgraded suction, reliable surface grip across tricky tile and glass, solid runtime for large pools, and a real warranty backing it up gives it the most balanced experience here. It's not the flashiest on paper, but it delivers consistently. That said, if remote scheduling matters most to you, or intelligent mapping is the priority, one of the other options here might suit your pool better. So, which of these cordless pool cleaners caught your eye? Drop a comment and let us know which one you're leaning toward. If this comparison helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this one. All the purchase links are waiting for you right down in the description below.